Goodbye, Cappuccina. I'm off to work.
Goodbye, Tung Tung. Today is Tung Tung's birthday. I'll surprise him.
You don't deserve him. You have to disappear, Cappuccina.
I'm sure Tung Tung will love this cake.
Doctor, how is my girlfriend? What happened to her? I'm sorry, but her condition is very serious. Cappuccina, please wake up.
Oh no, Cappuccina, you poor thing. I know you're in pain, but maybe this is fate. You deserve someone better.
I will never love anyone else but Cappuccina.
You'll never have her again, Tung Tung.
Subscribe and comment if you want Cappuccina to wake up and tell Tung Tung the truth.